Okay, got our head here, and I made another line down here. We're going to cut this out in here for now, and we'll probably raise it up later with the eyelids, but for now I want to stay low and I can work my way up. You don't want to go high, because then you can't work your way down. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you get any questions or comments, put it in my comment section. I'll get back with you. Cut that. Now we're going to take this out in here so we got our bridge for our nose. So we're going to do the same to this side here, and then we'll come back. Thanks for watching.